Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We come back in another video. So as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes and you go to fan timeline down the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style and the timeline it will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet a subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the description of that video, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. So as you see, guys, here today the daily candle, it went exactly as us we accepted. People they been with us, they remember that when we put for you that level here and we told you here we got the golden zone in the Fibonacci retracement. We bring the Fibonacci retracement from here to down here, and over here is the level between 0.61 and 0.50, and people they calling that 0.61 is the golden zone, but for me just a level. That's how me I treat it. And that's what the Bitcoin done here. When we came here, it's showing to us that candle here, that one here in Sunday, then today Monday. Look at it, what the market done here. It give us here a very clear head and shoulder here in the daily. Very clear head and shoulder. The neckline of it is down here, as you see it. Very clear, like that, as you see it. Now what should we do here in the daily? Same thing, guys. Nothing was changed, because that candle here is only the candle of Monday. People they been with us, they remember that that one here is only the candle of Monday. And if you see yesterday video, what we told you, that week is coming. That week is coming the interest rate of USA. And I told you, if the Fed increase interest rate by 0.25, yes, we're going to see a small dump, but that good for Bitcoin. Is bad for US economic and very good for the Bitcoin. Why? I'll tell you why. We're going to see more bankings falling down, and that will lead people to protect themselves, and they are going to enter to the Bitcoin. Everything is too clear. That for macroeconomical, us here, we're talking just about technical analysis. What else we said here? We came with doing the two levels here, the two simple moving averages, no exponential, no nothing. Too simple. That red one here is the 50 moving average, and that one here is the 200 moving average. When we touch here, I told you to buy 20% from your capital. That for the people that they enter from here, not for the people when you touching now. Now don't buy. Now if you just came now, you waiting here at the 200 moving average. 200 moving average, you buy 50%, not all your capital, just 50% from the liquidity or the cash you have from here at the 200 moving average. That's the first level. We got another level here, very stronger level here at 24k. Even that one, you need to buy a little bit from it. Also, we came to you every day, but also we give you here analysis, and we told you where is the Bitcoin it will go. Everything is too clear, and it might the Bitcoin that will do something it's not accepted. And that's what me I'm thinking. It might the Bitcoin tomorrow just to come and to break here. To come here and to break here and to go up again. What shall we do us? Us we waiting. Tomorrow candle, what it's going to tell us. If it came tomorrow a green candle like that and go back tell here, I'll show you in the weekly we need to break here, that level here. If we break in that level here, that means us we're going to go more higher. And if we break in that level here, that means us we're going to fall down. So the candle of tomorrow is going to tell us where we are going. Either we're going to come and we break down here, that level here, that one here. That means if we break in that level here, it's very simple. You just came here down. That head and shoulder I just show you, you came like that, and you do it like that. It's going to go till the 24k I just talking about here. Yes or no? But if tomorrow candle came a green candle like that and breaking for us that level here, I don't think so it's going to break it. But if it came tomorrow a candle, just go back by Bitcoin to here, because people they being with me, they remember that's what me have been telling you. I'm telling you, the market makers, they always do it like that in Monday. Tuesday they go back. Then in Wednesday we're going to see the real direction where we are going to go, either up or either down. So now that the first part here, that the move of market makers, we need to see another wave. If it go back up, then we're going to know where is the Bitcoin it will go. Everything is too clear, guys, here. So now what shall we do here in the daily? In daily we are waiting here. I just show you can do like that. Here, I show you in the 4 hours. It's more clear than here in the daily. If it's break up, we're going to enter long. If it's break down here, that level here, Atman is going to fall down more, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see the coming news for today. For pictures to get more clear to you, so let's go in there. The coming news for today, as you see it, we don't got something special here. We just got for the Eurozone. The Eurozone, yes, we got very, very important news. As you see it, we got the CPI or the inflation index for the Eurozone. Then we got manufacturing for UK, for Germany. Then we got interest rate decision for the Aussie. That's for the people that trade in the Forex. For the Bitcoin, we just got here that jolt, that one about the unemployment rate, because that one is going to give you a clear picture about the unemployment rate, which is coming in Friday. So you need to be focused about those things. But we don't got something too special here. Our friend here is the table of us. We're looking at it every day. What it's telling us here. Look at that. All US stocks today, they are red, guys. Yes or no? What that mean? Monday, people they being with me, they know those things. If Monday we close in red, that means all the week we are going to be green. Yes or no? And that's what it's telling us here, the table of us. All US market, they close in red. Look at it. Another thing here, very important here, is the VIX. Yesterday we used to be 15. Today it go back. We are 16. Why scaredness is go back? Scaredness is go back because one thing, people they are scared from the Fed. What is going to do if it break that ceiling of 5% interest rate? That very, very, very bad sign, and scaredness go back again, guys. As you see it. That way people they are scared now. US dollar is go back a little bit up today, but it closed red as you see it. What shall we do now? We need to wait where we are going to break. And I told you we're waiting Tuesday, then we're going to see where is the market is going in Wednesday, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right. By the way, you. Yes, you. I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? I know you don't. Pause the video now, smash that like button, write with it a comment, tell us your thought, then come back and continue with us. Go ahead, go please. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. So here in the 4 hours, what else we said in the last video, what else we said here? Exactly here. I told you we got here at distribution level, like how it happened down here, like how it happened here. That was me I told you, yes or no? I told you if it's breaking down here, enter short. And where me I told you to put take profit. Exactly where me I told you to put the take profit. I told you here. In the body, not in the tail. Did it break for the take profit? 100%. I told you to close 50% here. Yes or no? Stop loss of you. I told you to put it here. You can find all that in the last video. That's the power of our analysis, guys. Now, when you take in 50%, when we touch here, what you need to do to move stop loss down here to break even. Now, even if the market go back above, you are not going to lose nothing, and actually you are going to go out with a winning trade. What's my view now? Because the market, it give us the market here a green candle, guys, and we are in a very, very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at it. Last time from here, we jump all that after a big pushing down. Now we are in it again here. What shall you do there? Nothing. There is nothing to do here at that level. You need to wait in a price action. The market to tell you here, we got a price action and the market is going to change from the downtrend to an uptrend. And I told you something else here. We do it like that, and people they been with us, they remember that. We do like that. From that one here, and the one here. We said we got here a channel. Yes or no? That channel, we touch the top of it here. Look at it. And here. Now we are here. Now either we're going to go to touch the lower of it here. And also we are enter short from here. If it's not, the market is going to reverse from here upward. Another thing, look at it here. What is it that? You see it or no? It's a very, very, very clear cup and handle, double top, name it whatever you want. Where is the neckline? That one is the most criteria level. Here, down, like that. It's the same. Lower of that channel here, it's need the market to fall down to break down here for us to enter short, guys. But for the people they haven't entered from here. Now what shall we do here in the 4 hours? We need to wait in another another price action to tell us we need to enter long, or the market is going to continue, guys, because me are thinking the market is going to stay here sideways to give us here maybe a flag. We don't care what is going to give us here. Also, we need to enter with a confirmation. If there is no confirmation, there is no entry, long or short. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying here in the 4 hours. Our indicator, you remember what me I told you here. We do it like that. And I told you that fake out will happen here. It's just a fake out, that one. That one just to mislead you. In the last video used to be here. I told you if it's breaking down here, that meant also we're going to change from a bull market to a bear market. Did we change from a bull market to a bear market? Look at it. Where we are now. We are in the bear control. In the 4 hours, we are in a downtrend. But today is Monday, guys. That's why me I told you in Saturday and Sunday, get ready, be prepared, guys. That's the signal me have been waiting for you to make some money. Now, what should we do here at that level here? Should we enter long? Should we enter short? We are here in a downtrend. Look at that. We are in a downtrend. Should we enter long? Not yet. It's need that one to come here for us to enter long, guys. If it doesn't, there is no entry long, guys. You need to remember that. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, we used to be here at the overbought area. I show you here that small price action here. We enter short with it. Look at it where we are. We are very close to enter to the oversold area. Me, I told you to take profit here. Yes or no? Now what shall we do? We need to wait, and either we're going to enter down here to the oversold area, or from here is going to go back up and to break high. Also, we're still waiting, guys. That's it. I just show you we got here. You can make even like that. And down here, you remember what me I told you down here what we got? Like that. I told you even that one, if it came down here and breaking down here, that's when the market is going to continue more down, guys. You remember that very, very, very well. Now, what shall we do? We need to wait. Either we're going to break down here in that level here, or we're going to break here in the top. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to get more clear picture where is the Bitcoin is going to go. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here the picture is more clear than the 4 hours. You remember what I told you here in the last video? You can find it like that. We make it like that. And we came in the top and we make it like that. Actually, it's been in the thumbnail of the video. Did we break? Look at it. We break here. Where we are. Exactly where us we said we need to take profit. We said we need to take profit down here. Let's bring it. Look at it. 100%. And that the level me I told you. If you remember in the last video, I put that level here for you with yellow. Like that. That level is getting broke. Look at it with a big power candle. Now here at that level where we are. Here. Should we enter long? No, my friend. There is no price action here telling us we need to enter long. Like how I show you here, we used to have here even a head and shoulder here. You can find all that analysis in the last 2 videos. Now here. Should we enter long? No, there is no price action. Even if you try to make here like a downtrend line like that, but that one is very, very sharp. You can make here a down channel like that. Look at it. You see it or no? Now what we need to do, we need to wait in another price action here. Maybe tomorrow is going to give us here another price action. Then also we're going to enter, guys. But at this time, we don't got nothing here. Now you can make here like a small flag like that, as you see it, or a channel or a distribution level, but that one for you to enter long, it's need that one to come to break here, and that is going to be broken in the 4 hours. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator is it here at the oversold area level. We are in a very, very stronger supply and demand zone, because last time from here we bounce up. Now we are in it, we touch it here. Should we enter long? No, my friend. It's need that one here to give you a price action here to bounce another time. That's meant that price here to bounce another time and to touch that level down here. Then after that to go back to give a double bottom, a triple bottom, a triangle, something here. If it give you that, even if I don't put for a video, enter long. And it's breaking the neckline, enter long till here. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video. And please, guys, don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friends. See you in another video. Bye for now, guys.